Best mini choppers to buy in 2022. Top 1 KitchenAid Mini Chopper Pros comes in a range of colors. Small funnel for liquids. Pouring lid. Simple to use pulse button. Dishwasher safe top to Cuisinart Cordless Mini Prep Pro Pros. 5-minute runtime. Generous capacity. Drizzle hole. Powerful blades. Dishwasher safe. Safe to use top 3 Magimix. 18,115 LE Micro Mini Chopper Pros. Nifty chopper. Looks the part. Quiet. Lots of accessories. Top 4 Russell Hobbs. 24,662 Desire Mini Chopper Top. 5 Bosch Mini Chopper Pros. Powerful. Easy to operate. Large capacity bowl. Useful storage lid. Top 6 Kenwood Mini Chopper Pros. Very compact. Some elements can be washed in the dishwasher. Dripper for liquids and oil. Top 7 Homgeek Food Chopper Pros. Sleek all-rounder. 4 blades. Minces meat. Large bowl.